Hello everyone. Today's topic is what is corporate device identifiers and how you can use this to allow or block the devices from enrolling into your Intune tenant. So without further ado, let's try to understand this feature. So where you can use this feature is when you want to only allow known devices to enroll, or if you want to allow or block specific model and manufacturers from enrolling into Intune, or if you only want to enroll those devices which are already been marked as corporate in your Intune tenant. So how you can leverage this feature? This is done using this new feature, which is corporate device identifiers. In this video, we will only discuss to use in case of Windows devices. So without further ado, let's move to step one, in which we learn how to upload the device model manufacturers and other details into the Intune portal. So we will do it using the CSV file. So earlier we used to have this IMEI and serial number. Now we have this for Windows, we have manufacturer, model, and serial number option. So I will select this one, and it will ask me to browse for that CSV file. So let's quickly create a CSV file. So let's suppose I give it a name Dell, and model name, and serial number be okay, and I save this file as a CSV file. Okay, so now I will browse to that file. We'll add it here. So this is the way we are telling our tenant that we these are the identifiers which will determine if my device is corporate device, or uh, if those properties are not matching, then those are non-corporate, or we don't know if that model number or that manufacturer is a corporate or a personal one. So this is where we do that, and the next step would be to create a filter. Before we create a filter using these properties or other properties, let's first go to Windows enrollment. And if you see, we have a option to restrict the devices from enrolling, device platform restrictions. So there is a default restriction. We'll create a new restriction. So there we have one option to personally own devices. If we block this, this might block uh, users from joining their devices to Entra, from going to Windows settings, even though they are trying to enroll a corporate device. And this will also block those devices from enrolling where we use the autopilot for existing devices, where we use the configuration manager to send a package using a task sequence to upgrade them to the supported version and then enroll here. So even with the corporate identifiers being uploaded, those devices are enrolled as non-corporate devices. So we have this so using this Windows corporate identifier features, we can work around this issue within our tenant, and we can achieve this that is only known devices will enroll. It's not that it is a replacement for any old feature, but it's totally a new way on how you can use the filters and identifiers to allow or block specific model manufacturers or personal devices. So we will focus on this new feature of the Intune. So now we have uploaded the identifiers, and then we will move to uh, then we will create a filter. So for creating a filter, I will go to tenant administration. I will create it once I have the filter set up in my tenant, and go to filters, create a filter using manage devices, corporate or personal devices. Okay, platform I will go with Windows 10 and later. So here you can choose a property, like if I only want the Dell devices to enroll or block, we will create a filter. Manufacturer contains Dell. We'll add an expression, and suppose we want only the Dell corporate devices to enroll. So we will go here, and we will select the device ownership, which is not equal to corporate. Okay, so here I will use Lenovo, and device not equal to corporate. I have created a filter just to show you, and I will go next and create it. Okay, so now we have a filter. Then I will move to device enrollment, and now I will create a restriction. Uh, so I will go to Windows enrollments, create a platform restriction. I will block it, and we'll go next. I will leave the scope tag, and now I will add a group. Suppose I add all users here. Let's an example. Okay, and I include filters and include this filter in here. So what this will do, this will block all the users from enrolling those devices which are uh, Lenovo and not the corporate ones. This will only block those devices because I have used a filter. If this filter and all you this filter will those devices will come under this filter, only those devices will get blocked. Other devices, the Intune will let them enroll. So I've created this. So this is how you can leverage this corporate identifier for Windows devices to allow or block any specific model or manufacturer or any or personal devices from enrolling or blocking. So this is all about this new feature. This will depend how you want to set up in your organization. Those settings will differ, and there also we can monitor this. We have enrollment failures. Here you can monitor the enrollment failures. So that is all about this new feature. I will come up with my new video in very short time. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.